Got a bent or busted bike rim? Watch as we bring it back to life, step by step from tear down to truing and back on the road. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss amazing repair techniques like this. The axle rod of the bike wheel is taken out to remove the wheel from the front fork. The tire is removed from the rim. And the small leather strip, rim tape, inside the rim is taken out. Using pliers and a hammer, the cracked or bent part of the rim is straightened slightly. To make it easier to remove the spokes, a spoke wrench is used to loosen the nipples and adjust or remove the rim spokes. The hub and spokes are removed from the rim after loosening all the nipples. The rim is straightened using a hammer. Then new or adjusted spokes are inserted and tightened using a spoke wrench. The spokes are tightened and aligned properly using a screwdriver or alignment tool to ensure the rim is straight and centered around the hub. The axle is inserted into the hub to securely hold the rim in place on the truing stand. The wheel is mounted on a truing stand, and the rim is straightened by adjusting the spokes until it spins evenly without any wobbles. And this process is repeated until the desired result is obtained. The rim is further straightened by carefully hammering out any remaining bends or dents, using 2 hammers for precision. A truing gauge is used to check for any minor wobbles or misalignment in the rim, and fine adjustments are made by tightening or loosening the spokes. After alignment, rim tape is applied to the rim to protect the tube from spoke heads. The rim is inserted into the tire, which already contains the tube, and the tire is fitted onto the rim.
qualsiasi aqui, mas vai sucar.
Air is filled into the tube to set the tire in place. This is how the bike rim is completely renewed and made ready to hit the road again. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Follow our page for more amazing manufacturing processes.